Welcome to Institutional Crypto Trading with Mainblock. I'm Ryan, CEO and founder of Mainblock and the host of this channel. Mainblock is an institutional grade aggregated crypto trading platform for professional traders. More about what we do, our platform, and trading tools in a bit. For now, let's focus on you. We created this YouTube channel for institutions and hedge funds, high volume, high frequency crypto traders, and crypto funds that want to trade smarter with automated and algorithmic capabilities. Subscribe to our channel for updates on crypto and Wall Street, crypto trading, and crypto trading tools like Mainblock. Turn on the notifications so you never miss our new videos, or you could be leaving money on the table. Regardless of how familiar you are with crypto trading, it's an asset class with explosive potential. However, with it being a younger asset class, it can be extremely inefficient to manage all your crypto assets across all the different crypto exchanges. As more institutions add crypto into their portfolios or are considering it, it's important to have the tools to trade efficiently. That's where Mainblock comes in. At Mainblock, we make crypto trading more efficient and effective with an institutional grade crypto trading platform. Our high performance trade execution infrastructure for digital assets complements and integrates with what you're already used to for traditional markets. Mainblock already connects to over 30 exchanges, with more added monthly, so you can connect once and trade everywhere. It all started in 2017 when my co-founders and I saw a problem with crypto trading that nobody was addressing. When it came to optimally executing trading strategies, crypto was the epitome of inefficiency. To get the best price, traders had to be logged in to multiple exchanges at the same time just to maneuver within the market. By the time they'd figured out which strategy, how to use, how to execute, which exchange, the information was already outdated. They missed the best trade. Another issue is that crypto trading happens when different exchanges have different prices for all digital assets. Before Mainblock, there wasn't a way to find the best price across all exchanges and execute orders distributed among the most optimal venues. Lastly, institutions are already using advanced tools and trading algorithms, but it didn't yet exist for crypto. That's why we decided there had to be a better way for us to take what was already working in traditional finance and create a platform that provided liquidity, smart order routing, and trading algorithms specifically for crypto. As more and more institutions add crypto into their portfolios, they need a platform that integrates with their existing trading workflows and strategies. That's why Mainblock developed a frictionless environment using automation, algorithms, and APIs to optimize the user experience. With Mainblock's institutional grade trading platform, more institutions can effectively execute in the crypto space by connecting once and trading everywhere, which is a lot of what we'll be covering on this channel. How does Mainblock work? Mainblock allows you to easily view all the data from all of your preferred venues and execute algorithmic trades directly from a central hub. With our platform, you can trade any token listed on any exchange where you have liquidity. Like I mentioned earlier, Mainblock is integrated with over 30 venues, including all of the most popular ones. If your firm is already trading cryptocurrency or planning to, you can seamlessly connect, view, and manage your trades with Mainblock. We have a full demo video coming soon, so stay tuned. Mainblock is a proud member of the Fernhill family, and we're all dedicated to optimizing and automating crypto. We'll dive deeper into algorithmic trading, smart order routing, and Mainblock tutorials in future videos. So if you haven't yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. And of course, leave a comment below if you have any topics you want to see us cover. We'll be reading and replying to all of your comments and suggestions. Thank you so much for stopping by our channel, and we'll see you in the next video.